So many great comedy heavy hitters. You guys are all doing such an incredible job. What are some of like your favorite improv moments from the season?
I love watching Bobby
Yeah.
do improv.
Yeah.
He's like a weird dog, like a mutt.
What are you saying about Bobby?
But look, you know what I'm saying.
I do
you don't
not.
know. You're lying.
There's this moment, well, I don't know like how it played out, but we filmed it and we had so much fun doing it. We do so many, takes and have fun. So we're doing this whole thing where I'm mad at Reggie and he's like looking over at me, and like in between takes, he would always like throw some shade like, yeah, thanks a lot, Brina, or Precious or whoever, messing up my thing. And it was like, it was eating me up. And then I had to go back into the scene with Tracy where I was being serious, and in between, like Jaylyn kept throwing those little shade, and it was so funny to me.
His whole demeanor, his whole plan of always getting gifts was messed up in the first episode, right? When he's introducing everybody, and then Bobby's talking, and he's giving the kind of robotic lines, and he's like, stand.
Yeah.
I was behind the camera dying. I was like, because who thinks of that? Only the genius of Bobby Moynihan. And I'm like, oh my God.
That's funny. There's not a super amount because there's not like it's like we'll get to the end of a take, which is where, or like we'll do 2 takes and then it's like usually on the 3rd one we'll mess around a little bit or something, and there's often times where we're like, we're good. We got this, was great.
The writing is so good.
It really is.
I'm curious. I mean, I love the interplay between Reggie and Rusty and Arthur, like as they're trying to
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Does it look like improv to you?
I mean, it looks like it's happening.
Well, that's how good the writing is.
I mean, Sweet Like Bear Meat is always one of the talking heads we were shooting is him and Erika. And yeah, he just described a watch as sweet like bear meat. And I was like, all right, well, we have to, I don't know what that means exactly, but we have to have that in the show.
I mean, at some point, we never got to work it in. We have to work in that New York is great because King Kong died here.
Like, you don't mess with New York. We killed King Kong. He kept saying that between takes. And I think we put it in a script at one point. It fell out. But yeah.
Go fetch this joke. He'll find it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm with you. Yeah.
Okay. But
you just started off saying he's like a weird dog.
He is. You love him despite his fur. I'm just saying. You know it. It's true.
Okay, I'm with you.
I don't want to give stuff away. Spoiler alert. Daniel Radcliffe has a lot of physical comedy. There is a specific scene I'm talking about, which you'll see later in the season. That is. He's absolutely fantastic. He's so good in it. As far as like for us, like anytime I get to do anything with Tracy, I had a blast. We would at one point.
I just like pulling you out the washing machine.
I end up in a washing machine. You'll see. It was a blast.
So I feel like Bobby and Tracy probably do the most improv. Like Tracy, you generally you get the take and then you be like, okay, let you go, do your thing. And there was definitely some stuff in episode 3 with the Amish bakery that he takes me to, that he started improvising with the Amish actors, which was great.
You don't need to do it in slow-mo, man. We could just do that in the computer.
I'm going as fast as I can, Rusty.